In this session, we will show how we would pair our smart cell to our Engage system through the CMS installer app, and also have the RGB light and the RGB indicator connected to the smart cell. So in the smart cell, you can see that it's soft wired, powered in, and the power out is also soft wiring, and it will control everything that's going outwards. So you have an override power button, you have two RJ45 ports, and you have two USB ports. The USB ports are meant to energize our sensors, and the RJ45 ports are meant to, one, control the RGB light and the RGB indicator, and the second port is to read and validate the RFID cards that we can also supply with our Engage system. So we'll begin with accessing our CMS installer app. Previously, we have created a desk called Desk 1, but to confirm this, we go back into the main screen. We access Office Space 1 in the room, and we can see that OS1 is the occupancy sensor, and it's connected to desk number 1 in Office Space 1 room. So we follow the same procedure as the sensor by clicking the plus symbol. We click Smart Box because we're pairing the Smart Box. We select the hub we want it to, so controller 1. The room is Office Space 1. We select the same desk, so desk 1, or we can create a new desk that we want to allocate the smart cell to. So in this case, desk 1, and we give it a name. I'll just give it any name, smart cell underscore 1, since it will be linked to the sensor in the same time on the same desk. We click next, and it tells us to follow the procedures. To pair this device, tap next below. Then click and hold the button inside the hole using a pin for 6 seconds. So in this procedure, we would also need our CMS pin until LED comes to a solid state. So the LED is now blinking. We click next and grab our pin, insert it in the hole, and we click it for 6 seconds. Put a pin aside. You can see now that the LED light is not blinking anymore. And now we can see that it has been paired to our Engage system through our installer app. So we have to follow the procedures to finalize the pairing method. So press the below button and check whether the device has turned off. Click off. If you don't hear a click, that means the state of the smart cell is already in off state. So we can just skip this step. We click on, and now we have to hear a click. On. We heard the click. Therefore, the device has turned on, so it did respond, yes. Now we click available. So it tells us press the button and check whether the RGB light on the device has changed to green. So we click available. Knowing now that the RGB isn't connected, we have to get the RGB, the RJ45, and connect it into the port. So it's green, so we can click yes. Press the below button and check whether RGB has changed to magenta. So we click do not use, and we can see the RGB has changed. So yes, it did respond. We continue with the process. And again, we go through all the statuses that we have. In cases if it did not respond, you just click it one more time and check if it responds. If not, you just click no and repeat the process from the beginning. So now they all responded. Now we're verifying the analytics of power and energy usage. Takes a few seconds. So now it has verified the analytics. We can click done. To confirm that the whole setup has been finalized, we can go back into the room and we can see that S_C_1 is online and it's in office space 1 on desk 1. You can also access the smart cell and override it from the app, so we can put it in available mode. And we can see the RGB has changed. Now we can go back to the main screen and we have finalized setting up a smart cell and pairing it to a specific desk in a specific room or zone on a specific floor in an organization.